Today our topics are secondary distribution method, reapportionment of service department cost, and the first method of reapportionment, that is direct distribution method and its problems, from the chapter accounting for overheads. Then what is secondary distribution method? It is the process of redistributing service department cost to production departments. Here, the total of overheads obtained in service departments through allocation and apportionment of overheads are reapportioned to the production departments for making the production departments to bear the entire expenses on production. That means the actual production takes place only in the production departments. The overheads of service department should be finally charged to production departments for costing purpose. For that, we will prepare secondary distribution summary. As in the case of primary distribution method, reapportionment of service department cost also need some basis of apportionment. The cost of a service department may be apportioned to the production departments according to the services rendered or the benefit received from service department. Here we can see 8 service department and their basis of apportionment. First 3 departments, timekeeping, canteen and staff welfare departments are based on number of employees. Based on that, number of employees is the basis of apportionment for these 3 departments. Then fourth one, repairs or maintenance. Here we use repair orders or service orders received. Fifth one, stores department. Number of material requisitions is the basis of apportionment. Sixth one, power department, horsepower of machine. Purchase departments, number of purchase orders. And the last one, internal transport. Here we use value or weight of material used as the basis of apportionment. Next, methods of reapportionment. Here we can see 3 methods of reapportionment of service department cost. First one, direct distribution method. Second one, step ladder method. And the third one, reciprocal service method. Reciprocal service method also includes simultaneous equation method, repeated distribution method and trial and error method. Our first method is direct distribution method. Under this method, the cost of a service department are shared directly among production departments in some equitable basis. This method ignores the services rendered by one service department to another service department. Similarly, the cost of each of the service departments are reapportioned or distributed only among the production departments. It is very simple method because there is no problem of inter-service department apportionment. That means in this method we distribute the total overhead expenses of service department to each of the production departments on the basis of reapportionment. Let us see problems related with direct distribution method. First problem. In a factory, there are 2 production departments P and Q and 2 service departments powerhouse and repair shop. The following details of expenses were collected for the period ending 31st March 2019. Here we can see overhead items like electric lighting 2500, labor welfare 1500, then indirect material that is already given in the allotted form. Department P 300, Department Q 200, Powerhouse 400 and Repair Shop 100. These are the overhead items given in the question. Other details given in the question or basis of apportionment are light points, number of workers, horsepower, repair order received. We can see number of light points in production departments P and Q are 20 and 15 and in the service departments are 10 and 5. Number of workers in production departments 5 and 6 and in service department 2 each. horsepower 150 and 70 in production departments. Then repair order received 30 and 25. Prepare a statement showing secondary distribution. This is our question. Let us prepare statement showing secondary distribution. For this, first we have to prepare primary distribution summary for apportioning the overhead expenses to production departments and service departments. Our columns are as the same in the case of primary distribution summary: overheads, base, ratio, total, production departments and service department. First overhead item is electric lighting. It is based on light points and the ratio 20, 15, 10 and 5. We can divide these ratios by its common factor 5, and our smallest ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Rupees 2500 is to be divided in the ratio. Production department P 1000, Q 750, powerhouse 500 and repair shop 250. Then the second indirect item or overhead item is labor welfare. It is to be divided on the basis of number of workers and the ratio is 5 is to 6 is to 2 is to 2. 1500 is to be apportioned in the ratio. Then third item, indirect material. It is already in the allocated form. Department P 300, Q 200, powerhouse 400 and repair shop 100. So we already apportioned the overhead expenses to the departments. Then we have to find out the total of these overhead expenses of each of these departments. Production department P 1800, Q 1550, powerhouse 1100 and repair shop 550. Then under direct distribution method, the total overhead expenses of powerhouse department and repair shop, that means their service department, is to be reapportioned to the production departments on the basis of their apportionment. Here we have two service departments, powerhouse and repair shop. The basis of apportionment of powerhouse is horsepower and the ratio is 150 and 70. Then second service department, repair shop, and its basis of apportionment is repair order, ratio 30 is to 25. First we have to reapportion 1100 rupees of powerhouse department to production department P and Q in the ratio 150-70. And the second service department, repair shop, the total overhead expense is 550 and it is to be apportioned among the production departments P and Q in the ratio 30 is to 25. Then we can find out the total overhead expenses of production departments. That means 2850 and 2150. This is our secondary distribution statement under direct distribution method. Then our second problem under direct distribution method. A Limited has 3 production departments and 4 service departments. The expenses of these departments as per primary distribution are as follows. Production departments, Department A 40,000, Department B 35,000, Department C 25,000. Then overhead expenses of service departments are Stores Department 8,100, Timekeeping Department 6,000, Power Department 4,500 and Canteen Department 2,500. Other information given are, they are the basis of apportionment. Value of stores requisition in the 3 departments, number of workers, horsepower of machines. Apportion the overhead cost of service departments to the production departments under direct distribution method. This is our second question. In this problem, there is no need for the preparation of primary overhead distribution summary. The overhead expenses of service departments and production departments are already given in the question. That means production department overheads are 40,000, 35,000 and 25,000 and the service department overhead expenses is to be apportioned among the production departments on the basis of apportionment. So our first item, overhead as per primary distribution. Then secondly, we have to apportion the service department expenses to each of these production departments. First, service department stores, and the basis is stores requisitions in the ratio 4:3:2. Then second, service department timekeeping, basis of apportionment number of workers, ratio 5:3:2. Then third, service department power, basis of apportionment horsepower, ratio 6:5:4. Then last, service department canteen, basis of apportionment number of workers in the ratio 5:3:2. So our total overhead expenses of production departments are: Department A 49,650, Department B 41,750, and Department C 29,700.